Okay, welcome to my video. It's Friday, June 17th, 2020, and we're touring Potter's Marsh, which is also Thomson Causeway. And this is Army Corps of Engineers site. We're going to go through sites 1 through 28 right now. It's a one-way. You definitely reserve these campsites online at Reserve America. All of them have electric, and there's water at some sites. So 5, 6, these are all campable. And I did get a good digital signal for the local TV station. So I think you could probably have TV no matter which site you pick. My motorhome has satellite, so I usually stick with ones with the clear view to the south. These are nice and shaded over here for sure. This is called Potter's South. Home is where you park it. And we did see a turtle at the turtle crossing. And you got some pit toilets in Potter's South. Overflow parking. And a dumpster. So that concludes our tour of Potter's South. We'll go back to the sign and see what we're going to tour next. Okay, we've been to Potter's North and Potter's South. Next up, Hickory Point.